How to fix Marvel Rivals crashing. If you're experiencing crashes while playing Marvel Rivals, this tutorial will guide you through effective troubleshooting steps. By following these instructions, you can resolve freezing and crashing issues, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. I have no app for Marvel Rivals as of right now since my PC does not support the game, but I can still guide you by thinking of it as a Marvel Rivals app. So all you have to do first is right-click the Marvel Rivals app. The menu appears. Just click the Run as Administrator option to run the Marvel Rivals app as administrator. If the problems do not solve, let's go to the Steam app. While in the Steam app, click the Library tab at the top of the screen beside the Store tab. While we are in the Library tab, right-click the Marvel Rivals game to make the menu appear. The menu appears. Just click the Properties option to open the Properties window. A new mini window appeared. Just click the Installed Files tab to open the Installed Files tab. While in the Installed Files tab, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button to start the process. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix crashing issues in the Marvel Rivals. Start with updating your game and verifying files. Then move on to checking system requirements and adjusting settings. If problems persist, consider closing background applications or reinstalling the game. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.